Good morning. Welcome to Deltec Batteries. What do we have here today? Look at that. Oh, we're gonna go camping again. Let's see what we've done with this happy customer of mine. So let's see what we've got here. What do we have here? Oh, we've changed his charging system. So what we've done here is we've put in a 20 amp Victron charger. We integrated into his current Hercules power system. We fitted a MPPT, a Victron MPPT solar charge controller, and we got a brand new Deltec lithium battery. You can actually see it charging from the sun power. Isn't this a very neat installation that we can be proud of and the customer can be very happy? Send your friends here to Deltec Batteries and let's do the same for them. We here to change people's lives. So have a great day.